This is after we play 4-on-4. Friends versus friends. Hey, you're on live. Friends versus friends. Magkakaibigan. Parang magkaibigan versus parang magkaibigan. Oh, look. What's the score? 5-1. Logan's team is winning. This is Matt's team. Oh, turnover. Hey, Baboshat, why are you there? Why are you not here? Baboshat. Hey, Baboshat. Hey, sana 3-on-3. Now we play 4-on-4 earlier. Oh, nice. Good shot. 5-2. Oh, good try, Matt. There comes Logan. Jump shot, lefty, rebound. I don't know his name. Galing, wow. Wow, nice move. May galaw pala yun. Ano naman oh. Oh, quick release. Wow, rebound. Galing ah. Uy, na support. 3. Oh, 3. No. Air ball. Just like Brony. Just like Brony. Air ball. Embarrassing. You're embarrassing. Just kidding. There we go. 5-3. Oh, nice spin. There you are. Nice spin. Nice fadeaway. Score. 5-4 yata. Matt. Oh, good fake. Oh, no. Nice shot. What's the score? Oh, 5 up. Hey, good fake, Matt. Jump shot. Ooh! Seven. Natalo yung team ko ah. Natalo yung team ko ah. Uy! Wow! Ngayon natin kung makakabawi si Logan tsaka si Aiden. Look at Aiden dribbling the ball all the way to the hoop. Yes! It's a good game, man. 7-6. 7-6. Good match up. Aiden. Dribbling. Post. Yeah. 8-6. Oh, no. 7 up. My bad. 7 up. 7 up. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's his strength. 8-7. What are we playing up to? 11 game. Why only 11? Oh, you're tired. Okay. Ah, that's not his shot. Oh, good rebound. Good backs out. Ooh, 3-point attempt. Almost. Good try. Good try. Oh, fade away. Good defense. Uh-oh. What? Okay. I don't know. Lagi naglalaban tong mga to eh. Oh, good defense. Foul. He got foul. Oh, nice fake. Oh, nice move. Good rebound. Oh my God. Good follow-up shot. You look like Jokic there. Galing mag-dribble, oh. Pasok. Ay, hindi wala. Oh, good fake. Good try. Ay, naku. Samahan pa. Oh. Lucky. Score! A-Rap. Gandang laban, no? A-Rap. Tonto lang. Hindi, kanina 4-4 kami. Sila Emmy. Ay, hindi. O yan, 4-4 kami. Is there a foul or no? Okay. Yes. 10 point. 0.8. Go for the winning shot. What is he doing? 1-on-1? Bad decision. And now they can come back. Oh, nice move. Woo! 10-9. Oh, wow. 10 up, point up. Man, this is a good game. Winning, go for the winning. Oh, what a wild shot. Now you gotta play defense. Oh no, oh no, no. Oh, good move. Oh, good. Oh man. Okay, last shot, Matt. Who's gonna take the last shot? Matt. For the win. No. Hayden. Oh, tinira. Ba't puro nagka 3 points? Eh, 1 lang kailangan nila. 1-on-1. Shoot. No good. Too much 1-on-1. Wala na pasahan eh. Point na eh. Ayan na. Tapos na. Ah, good D. Attack. Ay, ito mananalo yata sila Matt dito. Oh, good block. Oh, parang madidepensa. Ayun, oh. Ah! Oh, no. Okay, sila Matt nga mananalo. Bobo shot. Sino tingin mo mananalo rito? Nandiyan ka pa ba, Bobo shot? Tingin ko sila Matt. Pero pa nagkamali sila Matt, ay siyempre, yung ano na. Sila Logan. Ayun, oh. Ayun, good move. Oh, no! Turnover. Good try. Mali yata ako, ah. Sila Logan yata. Just straight up. Straight up. Do or die. Do or die. straight up. Win or go home. Alam mo naman eh, masisira ang karon nila, talagang pinupunasan eh. Ay, pinupunasan, dinadayo nila yung floor. That's it, game! Oh no! Para sila matngat. Okay, for the win! For the win! For the win! Oh! Good hustle. Now, what? Matt for the win, fake. Oh, block, good block. Oh no. Oh, oh no. Ito na. Si Aiden yata magpapanalo nito ah. Aiden. Oh no. Defense versus defense. Defensive team versus defensive team. For the win, no good. Come on, Aiden. Aiden. Ayan. Oh, there you go. Oh. Wow. Ang tagal. Fake, pass. Hey, timeout. You need the coaching? You need coaching? I can coach you. Move the ball around. No one-on-one play. See? That's how you play. Matt won the game. Oh my God, that was a good game. It's like playing two games already.